Hello everyone. For today's episode, I'm going to show you a simple recipe on how to recook this unwanted leftover cooked beef burgers. First, oil the pan. Make sure to spread the oil in every corner of the pan. Check if it's ready by putting your hand 2 to 3 inches over the pan. Once you feel that it's hot and ready, add the onions and mix it so it cooks evenly. Then add the mushrooms. Make a space in the middle for the next ingredient. Add around a quarter cup of butter. Once the butter melts, mix all the ingredients you have in the pan so far. Once the mushrooms are tender, I mix it again because I want to. Then add 1 chicken cube with MSG. Mix it again until the chicken cube is dissolved. Then add about 2 tablespoons of flour and stir. Add about 2 cups of broth. Whatever broth you can find in your pantry. It doesn't matter. Keep stirring until the sauce is slurry. Or if you're lazy, just dump it in garbage and order pizza. Let it simmer until you like it. Add an ocean of salt and pepper or MSG if you are not satisfied with the taste. Now that your sauce is ready, add the sliced beef burger to the sauce. Mix it until all sliced beef is covered with sauce. Let it simmer until the internal temperature of the beef doesn't make you sick. Finally, serve and enjoy.